everyone, Dana Holton, a realtor with Miller and Company. So I am at one of our rental properties located at 265 East Rigdon Avenue, which is about 3790 South. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, it's a duplex, 2-bedroom, 1-bath with around 1,100 square feet, and it is $1,045 a month. So just want to give you guys a little sneak peek. Hopefully you guys will love it and want to come take a look. All right, so I'm going to start over here in the front room. So that is the front door right there, just to give you an idea of the layout. And right when you walk in, you have this big living room area, and it is separated, but you do have an additional space here as well. And then off to the right when you walk in is a bedroom, pretty decent sized room. Have nice built-in shelves. And then this is the second room. So overall, pretty decent sized rooms. And then off to the side here, you do have your vanity area, the shower. Okay, and then here is the kitchen, lots of counter space to work with. And then you also do have this nice back room. It could be used for storage, also your laundry. Okay, so if you guys are interested, give us a call. We'd love to give you guys a tour, an official tour. Our number is 801-566-6600, and our website is rentinutah.com. If you guys have any real estate questions, property management questions, we'd love to help you with any of your housing needs. Okay, hope to talk to you soon. Again, our website is rentinutah.com. Have a good day.